Smart investors, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Omokanyo Oyinlade Ibafolua, always bringing you information about properties within and outside of Lagos. Alright, today we will be discussing facts about Ekpe Lagos you should know. And you should not buy properties, without having information. As always, you're smart investors. So ensure you watch this video to the end. If you're yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button or you ding the notification bell so you always get notified anytime I upload the newest information about properties that you should know. Right? Ekpe is a new city of the nearest future. We have the Eko Ekpe, Ijebu Ekpe, communities within the same town of Ekpe. The notable festivals that are mostly celebrated in Ekpe land include Kayo Festival, Ebi Day, Ojude Oba, and Ekpe Day. It is a community of majorly fishermen and farmers. The road junction at the entrance into Ekpe from the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway features a sculpture of two giant fish erected by the Lagos State government. Ekpe has notable higher institutions like Lagos State University, Yaba College of Technology, St. Augustine University, Caleb University, Michael Otedola College of Primary Education, Mokopet, Pan Atlantic University. All of these are in the area of Ekpe. So if you're looking to invest in the area of Ekpe, you already know that you're giving opportunities to people that are looking for accommodation. Already, you are bridging the housing deficit in Nigeria. And as a smart investor that you are, I know you will jump on this opportunity that I will be dropping at the end of this video. And that opportunity will be for only those who watch this video to the very end. So let's keep going. Now, you know how high the demand of good accommodation will be for students in this area due to the large number of institutions in Ekpe. Ekpe also links Lagos, Ibadan, and Lagos mainland. Ibeju Lekki, Ikoyi, and Ikorodu Road, and then Ijebu. Did you hear that the Lagos government recently proposed road networks from Ekpe to Ijebu to Lekki down to Adesanya? This is in line with the previously announced Ibadan-Lagos Railway Road. Late 2022, Lagos government announced the project of the Agricultural, Food and Logistics Hub around K2, Ekpe as well as Lagos Film and Media Hub, both the largest of its kind in West Africa, located in Ejirin. Ekpe also the proposed Lagos Rice Mill. It proposes Lagos Rice Mill is located in Imota, Ekpe, close to Ikorodu Ekpe houses. And here is why I am proposing you a land you can buy in bulk in Ekpe for higher return on investment. So the estate I'll be bringing to you offers you the following amenities: green estate, smart estate, centralized sewage system, whereby all of the waste from your expected source away would be used to generate electricity for the estate. Good road, gated community, security, treated water, 247 power, play area, and a gym to keep you fit, to keep your family fit. So what is that dream that you have of your own personal house, or are you looking for an investment? I bring you the opportunity to invest in a property developed by G-Text Holdings. You can own a plot in that area for 15 million naira. So if you're buying an acre, which is 6 plots, you can buy each plot for 10 million naira only. So if this sounds like something you would like to buy, please call me on 081 5546 8236. I remain your girl and your best realtor, Omokanyo Oyinlade, bringing you affordable and luxury homes with flexible payment plans always. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment below what you'd like to see next. Thank you.